Have you ever looked at your old bathtub and wished for a magic wand to restore its former glory? Introducing TopKote's eco-friendly, low VOC Glaze Startup Kit. Designed for both professionals and beginners, this kit has everything you need to breathe new life into your tub. The Low VOC Glaze Startup Kit is bundled with essentials. From low VOC glaze to a powerful cleaner, ensuring a job well done every single time. And the best part? It's eco-friendly. Witness the transformation. From worn out to wow, all with one kit. See what customers have to say. TopKote's eco-friendly low VOC Glaze Startup Kit, where quality meets sustainability. Visit our website or contact us to learn more.